back to my YouTube channel. My name is Meme and you're welcome to another episode of MPS Makeup Series with Meme. So guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification to get notified whenever I make a new post, and do not forget to give a video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. You're welcome to this beautiful channel. So guys, let's dive into the video. So guys, on today's video I'll be showing you equipment, instruments, products to use as a beginner. So guys, the first thing we will need as a makeup artist is our brush. So without a brush, I don't know what you'll be doing as a makeup artist without a brush. So guys, another thing you would need that is very important in this makeup journey is your eye pencil. It's either you use this one or you use this one. They are eye pencils. So you see one. So guys, our almighty foundation, you can use any foundation of your choice. Like for me, I have so many foundations here. I have so many lots of foundations. So you must have a foundation. I don't know what you'll be doing as a makeup artist without a foundation. So you will need a foundation. So guys, the next one you will need here is your mascara. To brush out your lashes before you can fix the false lashes. Okay, so another thing you'll be needing that is very important in this makeup journey is your setting powder. You see, the setting powder is a lifesaver. I must testify, is a lifesaver. If you do not have a setting powder, I don't know what you're doing as a makeup artist. So guys, as a beginner, you will have to buy this as a beginner. Why did I say you must buy this? Because it contains your blush, your powder, this is a highlighter, setting powder, anything you can call it. It contains a contour. In case you do not have a contour, you can use this darker shade of powder to contour. And it also have a highlighter, a bronzer. You see, it has a bronzer. So you must have this palette. Another thing you will need as a makeup artist is your concealer. This concealer, you must need it as a beginner. Very nice. I advise you use this. A lip liner, you can use it as a lipstick, you can use it as anything. You can use it as a lipstick, you can use it on your waterline here. You see, you can use it here and you can use it on your waterline. It's just too much. Oh my god, I love this. Guys, another thing you will be needing your mirror. Of course, there is no makeup artist without a mirror. So you will not tell me you're doing miracle, you do your makeup without a mirror. It's not possible. It's not possible. So this is it. You will need a small mirror to start your makeup journey. And we have come to the end of this beautiful video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to give my video a thumbs up, and do not forget to leave a comment on the comment section so that I can see what you think. So if there's any video you guys want me to upload, just leave it on the comment section below and I will be there to read you. And please do not forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.